Cheers na muna! Cheers na muna!
Cheers!
Cheers to Science!
Excuse me, do you want me to get fired?
No! We need you there!
Dai, bawal ka, Dai. We need your expertise.
In what?
Being you.
We need you there.
Oh, Padre de Familia! Do the honors!
Oh, the fact that...
Padre de Familia muna!
Yeah.
So it's
The owner of the house.
Why did you do? You go first.
Ako talaga mauna.
I can see the gift already.
Oh, kayo lang. Kayo mauna.
Asan na yung ano? Mas ka lang magbibideo?
Ito be!
Na, ayan.
Ay, shoot!
Anong gagawin?
Sige na kayo na mauna.
Oh, sige na ako.
Nagkahiyaan pa!
Wait, so what? How should we
You
do
just
it?
put it be.
Okay.
Scatter it! Scatter it!
Okay.
Scatter, scatter.
Should we do it on the
Okay.
floor?
Wow! Talaga naman! Be!
Walang agawan na.
Hoy! Bakit may iba? Wait, which one? Bakit may iba? Which one?
Wait, my instruction. There's an
Wait,
instruction.
we should have done you last.
Save the best for nothing.
Bakit parang pinag-isipan?
Oh, kayo na nga.
Bakit muna?
Parang pinag-isipan.
Kasi naman eh.
Kunin na natin.
Okay, ready. Go.
I thought that was a budget.
I want that.
Wait, ang social naman ito. Mas mahal pa yung... Mas mahal pa rin ito.
How easy?
Bro.
Ah, dali ka na.
Thank you, Vida.
Pinag-isipan ko na.
Parang mas mahal pa yung regalo niyo sa akin.
Ano na, next.
Parang may pagkakasama kayong mag-shower reunion ha?
Next.
Next.
Ano to? Kala ko tama.
Face mask in fairness.
Pinag-isipan. Pinag-isipan.
Wait lang ako muna.
Si Dennis naman ka.
Kailangan na.
Uy, parang may sense yung mga gift niyo doon. Bakit parang hindi?
Ito muna, ito muna.
Oh, okay.
Ay, ikaw na! Nakikita ko din eh.
Turn around.
Turn around daw. Turn around.
Baka house na lang.
Kailangan ko yan! Kailangan ko yan!
Ay, di ko na yun.
Kailangan to! Essential to, be! Essential!
Chefs will take it. The chefs
Wait lang,
will
may
take
isa pa, isa pa. So,
Okay.
kumain ng ornyo. Kailangan mo brush.
Bro.
Dahil nag-onion ka, so
Uy, ang mahal na ngayon ng...
partner pala tong dalawang to.
Expensive. Next.
Yung talaga yung pinag-isipan.
Kulang na ng karne.
Ulang, be, ulang.
Baka sa next ano niya.
Yeah.
Turn in.
Next.
Next!
Oh, eat.
Anak ka.
Galing mo dun mo yan.
Ano na?
Wait!
Ah!
Bakit susunod? Ay, susunod!
What?
Bakit ganun?
May budget tayo doon.
Ang budget na! Siya naman eh.
Wait, I need happy Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It has nothing to do with us.
We're just packed for like really.
I like the purple in fairness.
Di ba, be?
Ang saya.
Be, para tayong maliligo sa kasawa ha. Para tayo
Maligo ka, may lotion ka na.
Dahil, nalala mo yung kung sibuyas, maligo na.
Really? Do they?
Yeah, look! It's like we're all the same. We're gonna all smell the same.
Pangina sa dararaman yung Trobilinos.
Hindi ko alam, be.
US dahil. Next na ba?
I
Yes.
have three.
Oy! Three!
They're small. They're small.
I will take it.
Three!
Okay, this one.
Hindi kami maarte.
Wait! O, dali. Ako na
my
po.
Ano yung face?
We all do this together.
That's right! Yes! We'll do it when we do the last year's tissue.
And then do this.
Wait, sentence.
Ito na kayo.
May social naman
Okay, this
sentence.
one's like...
What a faster.
Wow! Pang-travel! Pang-travel!
Ano po? Oh, may flight.
Perfect.
Ben,
There we go.
kailangan
Future
pag-usapan yung
travels.
free natin.
You sure?
Everything dito, travels lahat ah.
There's gold.
Travel sex.
We're ready to go.
Travel sex.
Ready to go. Wow!
Ano to? Wait.
Social!
Dami naman.
Social! Sister Bigating ka talaga.
Fairness, we need to...
My turn?
Cream.
Okay.
Okay na, ikaw na.
Let's do this!
Ano yung pakulong dahil? Ay, wow! Ano yan? Bro, pinag-isipan nyo to. Parang hindi kami na...
I love it.
I'm ready to go travel now.
Yes!
We're travel ready.
Body
Okay, so...
na.
Uy, marami.
Iba din!
Yes, hi.
Okay!
Dahil may pang ano to, may ingin ko dahil.
Skin.
Oh, pang...
Oh
meron
my
po.
God.
Why is there so many? Is it two of each?
So?
Oh, then you have to wear. Oh,
Ah,
this is
iba
fun.
din.
We'll take two.
First class.
Business class. Business class.
Dito na nagbubuka.
Yo!
Literally.
Hindi tayo magugutom ng sibuyas.
Oo.
We're not gonna go hungry.
No.
And then we can take a bath together. Everything's complete.
Oh, next, next.
Next.
What is this stuff?
Hungry. We're not gonna go hungry.
Ang laki dito.
That's hilarious.
Oh, may pang-snack pa. Oh, diba?
Babe, we're not gonna go hungry.
Dahil parang amin yung ibang-ibang ano daw. Parang basura yun. Wala naman kami na ba?
No, babe.
Oh, there's more.
We got two.
Yeah, yeah. For your travels sa Philippines.
travels.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, Habibi, you go.
I want to go to China.
Oh, sige.
I want to go to China.
Oh, okay.
You turn. Yusuf.
Huwag na kabahan.
Wala din natin.
What is that? I should have wrapped it in
They're
the
random too.
Oh my God!
iPad dyan ah.
Ay, hindi. Kami na natin.
Laptop.
Okay, it's you two.
Go! Open! Open!
Oh,
Precious! Oh my God! You know that I'm gonna go. Yeah. I'm not gonna cook.
receipt. Perfect! Perfect!
You,
Oh, diba?
Iba! Perfect! Good choice! Good choice! Good choice!
Hindi mo na natama ka.
Ay,
Hindi
ako.
pala yun eh. Akala ko luxury ni Mira eh.
iPhone
Which one is
17.
this? Which one is this again?
I can't tell
I
you.
remember. This is actually mine.
iPhone 17.
Okay.
Something big!
Oh, ito na, ito na. Ay,
I know what it is. It's for a girl. It won't do you any good.
oh, it won't do it. Oh, sa'yo na. Oh, next! Next, ito na.
Okay, this is the best.
There's instructions daw.
Oh, my instruction.
Instruction.
Ito, only girl can take this. Okay, one.
Which one, babe?
Ito.
That's a girl's.
Okay.
Only a girl can
What
take this.
category does this fall on?
Challenge.
What category?
All girls. Kilala dito.
Okay, give me!
Challenge.
Give me that!
Stop yan! Stop yan!
I do remember that one.
Pwede ka ba?
I do remember what that one was. I remember the best.
Madaya!
Wait, sige.
It's a
Oh, sige
girl.
na, go!
Wala pumila.
Ano ba yun?
Go, ano, bato-bato pick na lang.
Auction it off.
Lahat na tayo girls, but lahat na tayo girls! This feels like a shoe. Boy! Boy!
You're cheating.
Actually feeling! It feels like a shoe.
Oh, sa'yo na yan. Oo.
Ah, dali!
Bato! Bato! Beat!
Okay.
Yung kalabang ko eh. Dito ka ba? Wala tayo sa frame.
Malaki pa nga kailangan
Sis,
natin.
bro!
Okay.
Malaki pa nga kailangan.
Malaki pa nga. Eh,
boat.
Be!
Galingan nyo, galingan nyo.
Mag-picture ka na lang.
Okay, one. Okay, one.
Bato, pick. Ben. Palaban yun.
Diba?
Dali.
Hanger.
Guys,
Miss Universe.
That's why, Yusef.
Crown.
That's why.
Oh, sa inyo yung lahat. The rest?
Oh, did you?
Kuhain mo yung sapatos.
Ako'y mahaba.
Oh, Vito, do you want
Okay.
This
Then
one?
you- Oh my God.
I'm ready for the travel. My travel bag is right here.
Bakit pag nakuha mo?
That's perfect.
Diba?
Okay.
Confidence is
Bro,
sexy.
it's ano?
Iba.
Asawa, Jacob will be happy tomorrow.
True. Best akin ano, I'm gonna go now. I'll go. Di ba, Bes?
Vegan ba?
I like that. Babe, wait.
Oh, di ba? Napkin holder. Diba?
Babe, ano to?
Habibi, what's this?
What's this?
Oh, baking for
Like coffee
croissant.
ba, Bes?
Who got
Yeah.
that?
Oh, croissant baking.
You just gotta get.
That's good. Everybody good?
Yay.
Thank you,
Okay.
guys.
Thank you. Huh?
Guys, first one.
Thank you.
Thank you. May tissue ako, Be.
Hold it up like this when you open it.
Yeah, that's very special.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry, Ben.
No.
This is for Saturday.
Dito ka. Kailangan mo.
Oh, yes.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You think?
Can you open now or?
Ah,
Oh, dapat ako.
Muchas gracias.
tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Oh, yes.
No. Get the
Tell them what's
Story.
inside.
Story.
The shells are all
The corals.
coral that were washed up on Boracay.
Punta Beach.
No.
Yeah.
So nice.
Each one of them is different. Each one of them has like a different
Diba?
coral. So whenever you have Christmas,
Yeah.
you have a piece of Philippines with you.
Dito natin.
Oh yeah, you can't do that.
Next year.
Okay.
Wait! Bago mo ilagay.
Wouldn't get.
O gabi, Mirabe.
Wait.
I got one.
From Boracay!
Can we-
For their wedding!
I have one more.
Where am I gonna put it? One more, Ben?
I'm embarrassed.
Nahiya yung
So meaningful, Ben. I love it.
Ina.
I love it.
Very welcome.
Bear.
Ano ka ba?
I
Ano ba?
love
Ina.
it. This is Sebi.
So they're all a teddy bear family.
We're all family. Guys, family.
That's why. This is the reason why. I thought it through. Yes.
Tapos ayaw mo
Ako
yun.
sinasampas pa rin siya.
Sabi niya.
Ang bata tayo.
Diba?
Pinapaiyak siya din.
It's so cute. Thank you.
Thank you, Ben.
Perfect. Merry
May
Christmas.
paglalagyan na ako.
Ng ano?
Si Mochi yan, sis.
Di ba, sis yung mukha, di ba?
Looks more like Milo. Looks more like Milo.
Hello sa Halo.
That thing.
It looks more like Milo.
Makalat ng sibuyas.
The eyes. The colored eyes. Wow.
Puro pala na sibuyas.
Sibuyas.
Ay, magagaling mo yung sibuyas.
Oh my God.
Magagaling ko na yung
Naloka talaga ako sa sibuyas ng toothbrush.
Pinag-isipan niya.
Tapos may flash na sumunod.
Yung sibuyas.
May flash na sumunod after, be.